In this video, we will show the best car brush dusters in India 2020. At number 1, Jopasu Car Duster. Features. Our review. At number 2, Getko with device microfiber flexible car cleaning duster. Features. Our review. At number 3, Lukzer microfiber car duster. Features. Our review. At number 4, TOUARETAILS microfiber flexible car cleaning duster. Features. Our review. At number 5, VRT microfiber retractable type round car cleaning duster. Features. Our review. At number 6, Bergmann Gladiator Platinum Car Duster. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.